Hey, it's Rasmin from Quirky Stuffs. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can try out this cool coasters with some concrete mix. It's really a simple craft, so let's get started. Here I have taken about half a cup of concrete mix equal to 2 of my coasters, and then we'll pour little water to make a mixture and stir it until you get a pretty thick consistency. Here it's almost done. Then for molding I have taken a lid of a plastic container and a piece of polythene. Put a few drops of water on the lid before placing the polythene so that the polythene can rest on the lid nicely. Then pour the mixture into the plastic mold. And spread it evenly. Then flatten the surface. And then we'll just let it dry. For doing it another way, you can use a piece of plastic sheet and fold the mixture. Give it a round shape and also repeat the same previous process and then let it dry. Once the concrete is completely dry, pop it out of the mold. Grab a piece of sandpaper and begin to sand down the rough edges of the coaster. Also do the same to the other coaster. Now I'm going to color one of the coaster with the black paint. You can use any other color of your choice. Now I will sprinkle some white paint with the help of a toothbrush. Here how it will look, and then we'll just let it dry. For the other coaster I'm using the shape of a maple leaf. I'll just place it and wet the edges of the leaf so that it gets stick for a while, and then apply the paint and also repeat the same technique used on the previous coaster. In the same way, we'll sprinkle some white paint with the help of a toothbrush. And let it dry. Once it is dried, we'll just peel off the paper. And we'll just paint the leaf with the white color. Then with the help of a black paint, we'll just draw the inner line of the leaf. Here, how it will look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this craft for the week, do give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for getting notified. Thank you.